Deep in the tropics, the journey of the world's favorite juice begins here.
Look at that tree. The fruit is perfect.
They really are. This is going to be a good day. Let's start right here then.
ខាងគន្ទោផ្នែកព្រីបាក់ចាប់ចាប់នៅតារាវ៉ាងឃើញចេះស្វាជាងទៅខឹងខនហាប់ហ្វូងផងតាតាបដូឆយសេមឡំលោកញីទៅ
Once picked, the clock starts ticking. Freshness is everything.
Harvesting is a delicate art. Only the ripest fruits are chosen.
Watch your left. Okay, bringing this one out now. Clear the aisle, please.
Upon arrival, the fruit enters a state-of-the-art facility.
Welcome to the world's only industrial processing facility for heavy-grade ursine leather.
Keep the flow steady on the left side. We are almost clear here. All right, pushing them through now.
Every speck of dirt must be removed to ensure purity. While machines help, the human eye is the ultimate quality control. The seeds are removed and often repurposed for fuel or fertilizer.
The pulp is stored in massive silos, waiting for the perfect blend.
Flash heating ensures the juice is safe without losing its natural flavor.
From the tree to your table, the taste of pure summer.